We know that dogs can perform, and in this case, it's a shelter dog that's performing in the play called Annie. So with that, we turn to our new reporter, Danielle McConnell. Hello, Danielle.
Hi guys, it's Danielle McConnell with Pep House TV, and we are at the Booth Tarkington Civic Theater in Carmel, Indiana, for rehearsals for the production of Annie. And what is really special about this show is not only the cast, but they have a new star, Tori, and I'm here with her foster parent, Anne. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Absolutely.
So talk about the process of how the Civic Theater got involved with the Humane Society.
It was funny, we had a meeting and the woman who's in charge of foster care and adoption was like, I'm not sure we have an animal that really fits like that typical mutt looking animal, kind of a Wheaton mix. Not sure we have that breed right now. And so we walked through and we were like, who's she? And she was just like, it was all this barking going on inside the shelter, and this dog with these big brown eyes just looked up at us like, I'll do it. It was just the sweetest thing. So yeah, and then we did what we had to do, and she's the one.
So really easy to work with. And so her first days, was it difficult to get her used to, or?
She definitely has, I think, had a little bit of some abandonment, and she definitely, she just wants to be around people and to be loved. So I've actually been the one to foster her as well, not only directing the show, but fostering her as well. And so she's been really adaptable to training, and a few of the shows every week, we're actually going to have some of Tori's friends outside in addition to her to be able to be adopted.
Oh, perfect. So people can come out and adopt all of her friends.
Yeah. So yeah, she's going to make someone very, very happy.
Are there any tricks for a foster parent or on how to train them, or is it just like any other dog?
You know, I think that it's just like any other dog. It just took her a little bit longer. I'm sure she's used to somebody else giving her some commands, and here I am, this new person who's not really a dog trainer. I'm a theater director. So I tried. We did our best. You want to see a couple?
Yes, I do.
Come here.
Okay, Tori.
Oh, you want to give me a shake? Want to shake? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is what she says to Sandy on stage.
Good job. I can't even get my own dogs to do that. That is amazing. Let's bring in, we also have Annie here, Mary Kate, and she's playing the role of Annie. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. How has it been working with Tori?
No, she's wonderful. She's so sweet, and she's been really great.
Does she have any bad habits?
She really likes to go for the treats, and she usually finds which pocket they're in, so I have to kind of switch it up so she doesn't find them every night.
Really? Oh, and so is this going to her head, you think?
She might be a little bit like, yeah, I deserve that treat, but I'm not sure.
Mom, is it going to her head?
Yes.
That's okay. That's okay. Well, we look forward to the performance and adopting her friends. Yes, so you can get involved with the Humane Society and your local Humane Society with the Civic Theater as well. This is Danielle McConnell for Pep House TV.